Hello and welcome to today's financial news, brought to you by Forex, a multi-regulated Forex broker. Here's what's happening on the markets today.
Netflix stock plunged nearly 10% to close at $1,117 on Wednesday, after missing Q3 earnings expectations and disclosing a tax-related charge in Brazil. The UK stock market index climbed 1% on Wednesday, marking its third consecutive session of gains, driven by softer-than-expected UK inflation and strong corporate earnings. Gold prices fell to around $4,090 per ounce on Thursday, extending its decline for a third straight session amid continued selling pressure after repeatedly hitting record highs in recent weeks. The Canadian dollar strengthened past 1.4 per US dollar, moving away from 6-month lows, as investors trimmed expectations for more aggressive Bank of Canada easing. Ether traded above $3,800 this Thursday, gaining 0.9% in the last 24 hours, though it's still down roughly 10% over the past 4 weeks. Now let's take a look at today's key economic events. At 2 p.m., the U.S. will publish September's existing home sales data, following a figure of 4 million in August. Later tonight, at 11:30 p.m., Japan's annual inflation rate is expected to rise, after hitting 2.7% in August. Turning to tomorrow's highlights. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. will release September's annual inflation rate, which previously stood at 2.9%. Also at 12:30 p.m., the Consumer Price Index is projected to increase, after reaching 324 last month.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Forex. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.